7 people died from Tylenol in 1982, and whoever killed them was never caught. It started in suburban Chicago. In late September, people began dropping dead after taking ordinary Tylenol capsules for headaches and colds. Among them was a 12-year-old girl named Mary Kellerman. She took a single capsule before school one morning. She never made it to class. Someone had opened the bottles, laced the capsules with potassium cyanide, and quietly placed them back on pharmacy shelves. Then they walked away. 7 people died before anyone understood what was happening. The case triggered panic across the entire country. Copycat attacks spread nationwide within weeks, and it permanently changed the world. Every safety seal on every product you have ever opened exists because of those 7 deaths. Investigators eventually focused on a man named James Lewis, who even sent an extortion letter to Johnson & Johnson during the chaos. He served time for that, but he was never charged with murder. No one was. The killer is likely still out there, and they got away with it completely.